Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add in an Excel sheet, how you can add two numbers, or how you can add totaling numbers in Excel. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So here we are. This is my Excel sheet, and just I create some data for you. Okay, so you can see this is data I just created for you. Just okay, this is data, this is header. Okay, so this guys, I just want to make it presentable so you can uh, add. Okay, total. So in order to total this sale to sale, just hit the column equal sign. This is indication to Excel that we are using formula. So use some formula SVM, hit the tab, that formula will be open. Now select the sale. uh, I have two sale. If you have used data or more than two sale, you can select the sale by on just select sale from your mouse. Just hold the left button of your mouse and just select the sale and close the bracket, and you can see the you can add two numbers in Excel. If you want to you want to apply this formula to wholesale, so just hold this corner by holding the left button of your mouse and just scroll down. The formula will be copied to all. Okay, the same way here you can also add the numbers of column, totaling the columns. Like click the sum. Now you have to select all column data and just close the column and just enter. Okay, so now you can copy the formula to other columns by same way. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.